Apple just dropped something nobody saw coming, the iPhone 18 Pro Max, and it genuinely looks like nothing they've made before. First thing that hits you, the camera bump is completely gone. Apple finally went fully flush, a seamless one-piece titanium back that feels like a single block of metal and glass. They're calling the new finish Obsidian Frost. It shifts from deep, dark gray to a subtle icy blue depending on how the light hits it. It looks insane in real life. At just 5.9 millimeters thin, this is officially the thinnest iPhone ever made, even thinner than the iPhone 6 back in 2014. The dynamic island is dead. Apple has moved Face ID completely under the display. The front is now almost 100% screen. Those bezels are basically non-existent. Compared to the 17 Pro Max, the difference is shocking. This display looks wild in person. Flip it over, and the cameras are now arranged in a clean diamond layout. 4 lenses, including a brand new periscope ultrawide. Apple is using a new sapphire-coated lens shield that's highly scratch-resistant, anti-reflective, and gives the whole camera array a super premium feel. There's also a new tactile grip strip running along the titanium frame. It's subtle, but it completely changes how the phone feels in your hand. The USB-C port now has a magnetic assist ring. MagSafe finally works with wired charging. It's about time. 5 colors at launch, but blood orange is already breaking the internet. It's bold, vibrant, and feels very Apple 2026. The display is next level. ProMotion adaptive refresh from 1 to 144 Hz, up to 2000 nits brightness, and a new micro lens array that makes it ridiculously visible outdoors. The action button is now AI-powered by default. One press and Apple Intelligence kicks in with scene detection before you even open the camera. There's even a hidden ambient glow strip along the back edge. It gently pulses for notifications when the phone is lying face down. Subtle, but genius. Even with a bigger battery inside, Apple kept the overall footprint almost identical to the 17 Pro Max. Same great hand feel, way more power. Under the hood, A20 Bionic chip, 12 gigabits of RAM, and a quad camera system featuring Apple's largest sensor ever. This is, without question, the most thoughtfully designed iPhone Apple has ever shipped. Every single detail has been rethought. Full in-depth review drops the moment review units land. Hit subscribe so you don't miss it, because this one feels different.